A cordial hello to all our viewers, and welcome to our channel. Today, we delve into the realm of cybersecurity certifications, a pivotal tool in the arsenal of any aspiring or established cybersecurity professional. In an era where digital threats loom large, cybersecurity has become a field of paramount importance. This has led to an escalating demand for adept cybersecurity professionals, not just in India, but across the globe. First, let us talk about the Certified Information Systems Security Professional, or CISSP. This certification enjoys global recognition, signifying a comprehensive understanding of cybersecurity. The CISSP exam spans various domains, including but not limited to security and risk management, asset security, and more. Next, we have the Certified Ethical Hacker, or CEH. This certification equips individuals with the skills to identify and rectify cybersecurity vulnerabilities, essentially putting on the hacker hat to bolster security. The CEH certification imparts practical skills like penetration testing techniques, making it a valuable addition to a cybersecurity professional's qualifications. The Certified Cloud Security Professional, or CCSP, is another certification of significant importance. As our reliance on the cloud grows, so does the need for robust cloud security. The CCSP exam covers domains such as cloud data security, architecture, and legal compliance. For those starting their journey in cybersecurity, the CompTIA Security Plus certification serves as an excellent foundation. This certification covers core concepts like threat detection, cryptography, and network security, providing a solid base for further specialization. Finally, we have the Certified Information Security Manager, or CISM. This certification is ideal for those aiming to manage and oversee information security programs. The CISM exam covers domains such as information security governance and risk management. In conclusion, cybersecurity certifications serve as a testament to your expertise and dedication to the field. They can significantly boost your career, helping you stand out in a competitive landscape. So consider the certifications we've discussed today and choose the one that aligns best with your career goals and interests. Thank you for your time and attention today. If you found this information beneficial, please don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We consistently strive to deliver informative content on cybersecurity and IT careers. Once again, we appreciate your viewership. Be sure to subscribe or visit our website for more valuable insights. Until next time, remember to stay safe, stay secure, and keep learning.